Hi, I'm Gavin Wentz, the CEO and President of QUX. Today I'm going to be showing you how to connect your QUX box to your Wi-Fi. First, I should mention that on your remote, there's a little blue button right here. This is the air mouse. If you push this button, you'll have a cursor appear on the screen, and it can seem a little wily at first, but all you have to do is just hold down the blue button, point the remote directly at the cursor, let go, press it again, and now you've calibrated it. After a while, this may drift a little bit, and all you have to do to recalibrate it is just hold the button down, point the remote at it, and push the button again. And that's how the air mouse works. But for now, we're going to use the circle pad, and the way you do that is hit the blue button so that the cursor freezes, and now we'll just use the circle pad around the OK button like arrow keys. So when you first turn on your QX box and it's done loading, it will say check your connection, unable to connect. Please check that you are connected to the internet and try again. Basically, connect your box. So go ahead and just hit the OK button on the remote. This will take you to the Wi-Fi setup page. I'm going to go ahead and go down to my Wi-Fi service. And now I'm going to enter in the password. So you just use the circle pad around the OK button like arrow keys. I'm going to go ahead and enter my password. To access numbers or symbols, you push that button down there. Okay, so I just go over here to the bottom right corner where it says next. Hit the OK button. Come down here and hit the OK button. And if for whatever reason the keyboard doesn't vanish, that's fine. Just gently push the back button right here. It'll make the keyboard go away. Now I'll go ahead and toggle over to here where I can select that to show my password. Make sure everything's spelt right and correct. And then I just go down to connect and hit OK. And then you'll see it says connecting, saved. Okay, so now it's connected. So go ahead and hit the home button on your remote right here. And then it'll take you to this page. And voila, we're connected. If you have any questions or need help setting up your QX box, feel free to contact me at 330-557-2230, and I can assist you with this process. Thank you.
Our device is something that you can plug into your television, and now you can use your television as a social television type experience. So in the Portal universe, you can watch your favorite content creators' videos, live streams, music. We also have TV subscriptions as well.
Subscriptions.
You can also
regular channels, all the sports.
Right, you can actually cut your cable from your cable subscription and get QUX TV on our QX TV boxes, and you can pay half the price that you're currently paying for your cable television subscription, and you can get all the best premium TV channels and more. I mean, it's really, there's so much on there, Rudy. I mean, you've seen it.
No, I've seen it and I use it, and it's good. I mean, it's great. It's just exactly the same except for half the price. Plus, nobody is finding out what I'm watching. And that's not being reported to anybody.
Right, so you have absolute privacy using this device, which you don't have on other devices out there currently on the market.
This is absolutely great. QUX.TV is how you can find out about it. QUX.TV.
Use promo code RUDY to receive $30 off.